Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm basically going to share a hair growth tip or a hair growth secret that will help you with your hair growth journey. Now this tip slash secret is all something that you already know of, or it's something that you're already busy doing, but either way please keep watching. So one of the secrets of growing your hair long and strong is to incorporate the Baggy method into your hair care routine. So the process of the Baggy method is just to take your favorite oils and then wrap your hair with anything baggy like a shower cap, it could be a plastic bag, or even cling wrap for some people. It's just there to lock in the moisture in your hair. So the whole purpose of doing this is to create an environment for your hair to soak up the moisture, and then at the same time making your hair extremely soft. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you one of my moisture treatments using the Baggy method. Yes, Lord, ready, Grant?
Please help. I wish I could creep under the table.
It would be my famous Grant.
No, God, please, let's lose that crap.
Never. So the first ingredient was actually just a half a teaspoon of shea butter, and then I melted it in the microwave. So as you guys can see, it's actually very melted. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of almond oil, which also repairs and rebuilds existing damage, restores moisture, and it softens your hair. Then I'm going to mix in a few drops of castor oil. Now it moisturizes your hair and it also helps to treat split ends. Now if you've got fine and fragile hair, I will suggest only using a little bit of it because it does tend to sit on your hair and it will also weigh your hair down. Now the last ingredient is going to be 3 teaspoons of your favorite hair mask. Now it can be any hair mask, it doesn't necessarily have to be this one in specifically, but it can be any one that you prefer. So basically what you're going to do is you're just going to mix together all the ingredients until it shows you this paste. It almost looks like there's no oil in it, and that is exactly what you want. You want it so that you can't even see that there is oil. Then I'm basically just going to detangle my hair. I'm brushing it out, making sure there's no knots and definitely no tangles, and then I can start with the process. Then I'm going to apply the mixture from mid-length to ends, and I'm focusing more on my ends than the rest of my hair. When you are going to apply this mixture, try to avoid your scalp area because it is going to weigh down your hair, especially for the people that's got fine and fragile hair. Ends are prone to damage and moisture loss, so this is actually a great way to retain moisture and to create that environment for your hair to start locking in that moisture in your hair. Once you've finished applying the product to your hair, it is now time to get the Baggy ready. Now what you're going to do before you put the Baggy or the cling wrap on your hair, you just need to spray your hair with a little bit of water and also spray it in the Baggy just to create that moisture environment for your hair to start incubating. Now that you finish the process, you can basically just leave your hair for as long as you want, and then you can just wash your hair with normal shampoo and conditioner. And this is basically my results. As you're going to wash your hair, you're going to feel your hair is super soft and there's actually no need to use conditioner. So I'm actually very happy with the results. So guys, that is basically it for today's video. So if you guys have used the Baggy method before, please do leave it down in the comments down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!